This is the traversability estimation using piecewise Gaussian processes built on coefficient of friction approximations project in Dr. Yugu's lab for the WVU Robotics in Appalachia Summer REU program. The group members are Dalyn Wachala, Griffin Thomas, and Peyton Barnes. So in the background right now, I have a demo of our project in action. It is autonomously navigating to different points and taking coefficient of friction data at said points and then updating in real time to our Gaussian process map. And that leads into our general goal for this project. We wanted to improve traversability information for robotic systems through probing areas for ground truth data to ensure the robot makes better informed decisions when traveling through said area. For the robot, we were given a robot called the SmartBot that had been made in the IRL lab in the past. And with this, we were given the CAD files for a friction probe that had not been implemented in the lab yet. So this gave us two problems that we needed to solve. We needed to be able to accurately get coefficient of friction values using the friction probe, which hadn't been done yet. And then we also need to use those coefficient of friction values to make Gaussian process maps that estimate the traversability of the areas. Getting into the implementation side of things, starting with the friction probe. So our goal is to get a static coefficient of friction for any given point that we take a probe sequence at. So you can see our probe sequence on screen as it's driving by. It basically lowers into a position. It'll tug a little bit at the arm and it'll take the effort values, and with some kinematics, it's able to get the static coefficient of friction at any given point. With the static coefficient values, we can then start constructing our Gaussian process map, and that's shown on screen where it is giving a flat value because I'm only taking one reading per area, but I'll show a better example on screen where it takes multiple readings in the area. As you can see, it is approximating the static coefficient value for all places in that area based off of the known values at certain points. With this data, we can then inform the robot how to better navigate through areas with unknown conditions. And that is our project. Thank you for watching.